So the truth is, Wendy did not introduce me to Rufftown. And that is the reason for all these problems and all these fights and all this beef. Wendy did not introduce me to Rufftown. I've known Bullet for 4 years. I've known him since 2017. I didn't know Wendy Shay from anywhere. My problem is not with Rufftown. My problem is with Wendy. In the beginning of my career, they came up with a plan that when I go to my first interview, which was at Xylophone FM, that I would lie to everybody and let them know that Wendy Shay is the one that introduced me to Bullet to make her look like a better person. And then they also let me know that it's because of women empowerment. You know, me lying, saying, oh, Wendy introduced me is basically like, you know, she did something so big for me to obviously make her look like a better person, which is a lie. Everything I'm saying, you know, I just had to keep it real. And I dare Wendy to come and say I'm lying. I dare her to come and tell people that I'm lying. I dare her, because she knows she never introduced me. She knows I don't even know her from anywhere. She knows I never even met her until I came to Ghana, and then she knows everything. I dare her. I have proof and I have messages from me and Bullet since 2017. The songs he sent me to record since 2017 and everything. So I dare her. I dare everybody. The whole label knows that I've known Bullet since years ago. She just came into the picture and she can't stand the fact that I'm a threat to her. It's just really sad because I didn't expect things to even be like this, and she's done so much to me behind closed doors, which that's behind closed doors. She's done so many things. If I could describe a human being as evil and someone with a black heart and a wicked heart, it would be Wendy. She wants everything for herself. She only thinks about herself, and she couldn't stand the fact that somebody else is coming on the label and all these things. Even my signing and everything, she didn't know about any of it until the day I said I'm going to release my song, and they came up with their plan, because she needs to find a way to benefit from everything, especially when it has nothing to do with her, because she's so wicked and evil. And so I agreed, and I was like, okay, fine, I don't mind. I will lie to everybody and say that Wendy introduced me if that's really what she wants. If that's what's going to make her happy, that's fine. At the end of the day, I had just met her, and she was extremely like, you know when people want something from you, so they're so nice, and then when they get it, then they change. Exactly. She changed, and then her true colors started showing after I told the lie. So now everybody believed that Wendy introduced me to Rufftown, so Wendy's the reason why I'm Fantana. No. So she started fighting with me, throwing shots at me, would create beef with me. She became very jealous. And then it turned into a competition, because I always knew that Wendy sees me as a threat to her. And so when that started, that's when I was like, whoa. But at the time, I cannot go back on my word. I've already told everybody that she's the one that introduced me. So now anything that I do or anything that she does and I respond, everybody's going to see me to be ungrateful, which no.